so this is what an atom actually looks like?
Well, no, actually. We did talk, y'all did read a lot about the different models. It turns out they don't actually look like this, which is too bad because this is really nice and easy.
It is. Nice circles.
Yeah, well, it turns out about the 30s there was a physicist named Schrodinger. He came up with this idea that said they're not in these nice circles. They're actually in a cloud. And we don't ever actually know where they are. We just know where they should be. And we can kind of predict based on the most likely place that they'll be. And so we call those regions orbitals.
Okay, so these are orbitals, right?
Yes, they are. But more realistically, they look a little bit different. This is really nice. We're going to use this in the next unit to kind of figure out what the electrons are doing. And we kind of already talked about that when we were talking about the atomic spectrum. But where they actually are, it's not quite so easy. And so what they do is they divide up the electron cloud, that's what we're talking about, into different orbitals. And they gave them really helpful names. The first one is the s orbital. And it looks kind of like a sphere, like a ball. And
S, sphere.
yeah.
Get it?
And there's only, what we say orientation, one way to hold it.
A ball is a ball is a
A
ball.
ball is a ball is a ball. And it kind of looks like this. We've also got the p orbital, and it looks a little bit different. That one has 3 orientations, and it kind of looks like dumbbells. You know, the dumbbells, not the...
No reference to the P, huh?
I had a friend of mine say you pump iron with dumbbells. And so they're basically like this, and like this. Or they kind of look like this. We've got d orbital. This is where it starts to get really weird. There's 5 orientations, 5 directions that you can do it, and we'll just look at the picture because it's really weird. And then there's F that has 7 orientations. That's got the most, and that one's here. Here's the picture. And so what we have is we have the most likely places that they're supposed to be.
It could be. Okay.
Right.